Good morning, retail traders. This is Washboardjim with a sneaky snake trading strategy, and I'm going to bring you up a stock right now that Jimmy's going to be watching. He just now noticed a flag and popping off of a certain moving average, and it's all about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. So we're already in the now on Disney. It's had a rough struggle since wokeism took place, and everything's kind of changing. When there's a change in society, there should be a change in how stocks are affected. So it's a 50-50 chance on Disney right now, but they are definitely pumping it up to the upside. Are we in a bull or bear market? We're definitely bullish. We're at extreme levels. So when I get to extreme levels, I'd be very careful and delicate with how I choose my stocks. It's icy here in Missouri. I tried to get out today, and man, it's not good. Tried to get back into the parking lot and seen a car in front of me swinging down in the parking lot, and I said, "Oh shit!" I thought I could make it, so I'm rolling across, and all of a sudden I start doing that sliding thing, and I was able to get out, park in the parking lot next door where there's no cars, so I have a real good chance of not getting hit. Definitely icy in Missouri. So Walt Disney Company, it's been struggling here lately. They've got all kinds of proxy wars going on, and they're trying to be woke to our children. They come out with a bunch of crappy movies last year that just didn't go too well, trying to be politically correct and teach us what's right and wrong. So yeah, they've had a hard struggle. But I'm going to bring up the chart. I noticed here on the chart that we got a bull flag. They're pumping up this stock real big. I mean, they've been real hard at it. And we did pull back to a 1-2-3B. And we are in a bull flag. This is a bull flag as you go to the upside and you have a Darvas box at a vertical downward level. So we could, if we break out of this, we could go a little bit higher, right around 96, maybe a $3 trade. We got a gap right in here. Or we could pull back and hit that 200 SMA on the daily time frame. That's what I was talking about. The moving average is the 200. We found it difficult to break up here once before. It held support at the first of the year of last year, or back during about this same time period, same day. So that 200 SMA could be a solid support. If you do come back and we touch that, I'd probably go in small and add on if we decided to go ahead and break this resistance level on this bull flag. So I just wanted to bring it to your attention. It's something to watch. I'm not a big time lover of Disney at all, although I've been to Anaheim, California, to Disneyland, and I had a great time, but things have changed. Wokeism has took over, and it's just going to be hard. It's going to be run mostly on momentum. The fat cats love this stock. They want to pump it up. They're heavily invested in this trade. And it eventually move. It will. So just be aware. Buyer, be aware. It will definitely move up. But if you could get it at the 200, I think that would be your best bet to get in at the bottom of Disney. I can't see it going much lower than that now unless, I don't know. It's definitely at a pivot point area. I can say that. And that pivot point runs right into the pivot point of this here channel. Let's go ahead and draw that in here. I want to show you what a pivot point is. A pivot point is a place on the trade where it finds support and resistance. So we found support right here. We pumped up, we broke out, and then we came back down, and then we found it again. So we got what you call a pivot point channel right in here. And if we can break that pivot point, which is right around 94, I think we can definitely move higher to the upside. But you can see it couldn't break resistance here, it couldn't break it here, then it did pop. This is when they were pumping it up big. You had that big gap up. That's a sign of bullishness. And then we hit that resistance and it created that bull flag. So if you kind of magnify this up a little bit, right now we touched that 50 SMA. So it could, and we have a symmetrical flag right here, bull symmetrical flag right here. So it's definitely starting to look good. It definitely is. We got a tweezer top up here as resistance level. See how it met right there to there? So yeah, I think this could be maybe even the 50 would be a good spot to start a position. And then if it dipped down to the 200, I'd definitely load the boat. That's it. That's it for Disney. This is a sneaky snake trading strategy where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now.